Formidable Forms has been around for 15 years now, and we've come a long way. But even more so, we should be celebrating you, all of you formidable users, building awesome projects every day.
Without these tools, these only will be available to programmers.
Really, it's kind of sky's the limit there.
Without Formidable, I don't think we would have found that solution.
To say thank you, we're giving 50% off Basic, 55% off Plus, and 60% off Business and Elite plans. This applies for both new users and upgrades.
Okay, that's enough. Let me take over. In the last year, we launched many new features, like the AI form creation and AI field, map and calendar views with beautiful pop-ups, multiple user registration, and 17 others.
To make sure, we keep our place as the most powerful form builder on WordPress. To make sure you can keep building whatever you need to build.
That's right. I'm starting to like you, buddy. And if you ever need help, our average response time last year was 2 hours and 9 minutes, with almost half of all issues getting resolved with our first reply.
Click on the link in the description to get up to 60% off, only for a short time.